3 pointers para hinanang ku invest more in themselves.
Vamos ter figure out kiko bo actually ke.
Mm-hmm.
I think ik weet hoop difícil para figure out kiko ke. No está tainted by a lot of things around us. Responsibilities, meaning things that we need to do as opposed to we want to do, things that what other people are doing. Hope difícil, right? So vamos ser saki boke. And hope di no saki nos ke. Pero nosotros honest with ourselves about it. I think that's the first thing. And number dos, okay, vamos sa saki boke. Parte de sa meta saki ko bo no ke. Hope and lobby those koneta junto. I don't think they're together. I don't think they're together. Right? So know what you want, know what you don't want. Nos tumba na number 3 kutunti que mais realístico. Kiko bo porha si agora aqui. Sim me se change mucho de bebida para invest in moments. Like bijvoorbeeld, you don't have to get that coffee. You don't have to watch that movie on Netflix. Maybe it's the hora pa dia por invest mas tanto de moments, whether that be reading, whether that be researching whatever topic. Kumisa